Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. CAF Champions League final, first leg in Pretoria, at nation's capital, where Sundowns izobethela AS FAR yaseMorocco. Ngenxa kwelinye eqandeni, Sundowns making sure ukuthi bayakhe pha ku-second leg next week on Sunday, lo mdlalo udlala ngo-9 p.m. Sundowns yazi ukuthi okay, there is some slight advantage with okay, we won at home, of which is very important. Now let's go away and make sure ukuthi siyawafaka noma mabini noma mathathu and make sure ukuthi siyibuyisela back eSouth Africa CAF Champions League, because the last time it was here it was back in 2016, and the very same team that is playing this final this season is the very same team that won it back in 2016. That is Mamelodi Sundowns winile ke namhlanje, and umnganami apha eceleni kwami is very happy. Bobsin, unjani mhlobo, am right?
Ngiright Shane, ukurenda tena.
I'm okay.
Asibonge Shane. Ithembulisa amadoda le studio ngani.
Bobsin, let's dive into the game. Sundowns won, advantage going to Morocco next week. Are we in Morocco mhlobo?
No, angizoba ngisemsebenzini mngani. Siyasebenza Shane.
Oh, we want to connect.
Siyasebenza mngani. Okay, ngicela ukubuza. Usembombela Saturday?
No, we're talking CAF Champions League now.
No, bengibuza wena.
We're talking CAF Champions League. We're talking CAF Champions League, Bobsin.
No, angizoba ngikhona mngani wami. Soba emsebenzini mngani.
All right, Bobsin. Okay, Bobsin, let's go to Loftus. Sundowns just won by a 0-0. Ubona njani umdlalo namhlanje?
Yeah man, Tashane ithi ngibongise qembu leMamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi yes, it's not enough ukuthi winning a one goal, but right abakwenzile ukuthi abazange baconsider this time. Cishe le game Shane ifane negame ePyramids. Uma ngabe mhlawumbe leya team bengabe ithola ithuba loku equalize ya 2-1. But khumbule ukuthi history inokuthi iziphinda phinde. You remember when Sundowns lost 2016 buVets embombela nge 3-0. Yahamba iwina CAF Champions League. And yafika la ekhaya kora more goals. Last bona ama chances today. Sundowns bay now ukuthi they can score more than 3 goals. So ngicabanga ukuthi namanje kuleya lose yasembombela ye TS Galaxy isho something Shane. So let's hope ukuthi kuzophinda kwenzeke. It's 10 years phela Shane, ukhumbule mngani wami yonke into ihamba ngama DK. So ngicabanga ukuthi Shane iSundowns today.
Yeah.
Igame the way bayiqale ngakhona for me. Bebathembisa ukuthi okay, badlala ekhaya, they want to control their game. But bengana creativity first half uma ungabheka. Why? Because ngibona uNuno udlala deep Shane. Uyahamba your collector while kuno Tebza kuno Jaden. La khona uTebza uma shifter kancane ku Jaden, uNuno uyabuya uzodropa. Uma ubuya uzodropa, uLeon uyabuya sometimes uzoconnecta kule position ye number 10 Shane. So kuba difficult for uNuno ukuthi angenzani, angayenza lento esijwayele abe naleyo creativity. And also uma ungabheka the opponent, akusile opponent ebeyikhuphuka ngama fullback. uBatch uhlezi today, uCamero uhlezi today, le out yeRasta Shane yakhumbula lebedlala ku Petro de Luanda. Umuntu opponent engimaziyo le left back ekhuphuka most of the time it's someone udlala ku line, but I think they understood ukuthi okay, today we are playing away, there's no need ukuthi sikhuphuke. That is why you see Mamelodi Sundowns namhlanje basebenzisa site la kaOpre. La uKhuliso bekakhuphuka ngama chances, and ukhuphuka kaKhuliso I think first 10-15 minutes bekaya wide, but uLithlaku wabuya wazohlala kulela side. Khuliso uyabuya manje ungena phakathi, always ungena phakathi, because lela side ngiyacabanga ukuthi naye beyangeka alisebenzise kakhulu kunolihlako, and also leya opponent abhekane nayo if uzoyinikeza space uzokhuphuka, that guy dangerous, especially uma ngaba khuphuka kulela line. So for Sundowns Shane by controlling the game first half, ngiyacabanga ukuthi even though kungazange kube ne creativity, they tried la khona ngibona Aubrey trying ukuthatha lawo mabhola awafake eboxini ukuthi uNuno ashaya lawo ma run mhlawumbe ukatheka lela bola. So they failed because it defense, the two center back, they always baduzana kakhulu noNuno, bebangamnikezi leso space always mangabe ufuna ba contest, because they understand ukuthi uNuno strike esinjani, akusi striker sokuthi kumele sinikeze ispace sikwazi ukuthi mhlambe saranele kulama space or receive eboxini. Then first half akuzange kwenzeke Nick bazamile labazama khona, but uma ngithi ngiyibheka second half ila ngibone khona iSundowns iba ne creativity. Why? FC Rabat bese izama ukuvula ama space in the middle of the park la khona uNuna aqala ukuoperate uma ungabheka lama chances abawatholile awamistile uBrian Leon yilama chances la khona baba breaker in the middle because sebaqala ukwenzana ukuvula encwadini uzoyibona i442 but sometimes it's 451 or 541 but uma sebavula they were trying uku-attack mhlawumbe kulela side la ka-Aubrey bavula lawo ama-space then sibona i-Sundowns iba ne-creativity unfortunately uNuno today bengasilanga lakhe sheni I think bekumele le game ayirepile ngiyacabanga i-hat-trick bekumela nayo la khona sibona nabo Lihlaku bathola ama-chances but u-goalkeeper wenza umsebenzi wabanzima for bona I think we must also give credit ku-goalkeeper ngiyacabanga ukuthi uwenzile umsebenzi ukuthi akwazi ukustop iSundowns ukuthi score more goals and nangendlela ngibona iSundowns bese iba fluidity ngakhona going forward ngiyacabanga ukuthi bese kwenza ukuthi leya team izame manje ukuthi ibuye but sebakhathele that is why ibona abadonsa lentwana uSlim kulela side baletha uBhemba ukuthi at least now sifuna ukuthi sizame ukuthi even is-attack sinabadlali abane energy fresh legs Shane but for me ngiyacabanga ukuthi Sundowns bekumele Shane iye kulomdlalo mhlambe ina 3-4 goals so that bekuzoba lula njengoba ngisho ukuthi bezosiphinda njengale ya 2016 kurechwa lo yamdlalo lapha against iZamalek so but uma kanje Shane into engichazile ukuthi Sundowns ayizange iconsider because away goal ibaleka kakhulu Shane
coming to lo mdlalo namhlanje that's because I talked about la defense Sundowns that was leaking goals league games but the CAF Champions League they've been keeping clean sheets because remember in both legs the semi-finals they kept a clean sheet. It seems like Coach Cardoso Sundowns they know how to approach games the league and also how to approach games the Champions League because it's been 3 clean sheets for Ronza in the previous 3 games CAF Champions League. You know, never right when it comes to Champions League, but when it comes to league, you see them. Amagola yangena, but with Champions League, they are able to stay compact and keep clean sheets.
Yeah, Shane. Ama approach ama game angeka fani Shane. And uma ungabheka the way ba consider ngakhona ku Betway. Ba consider because of bekunesizathu why beba attacker ngale yandlela and into Sundowns engayijwayelanga uku-attacker the way be-attacker ngakhona because bebazama ukuchase amagoli ku-Betway but la uyakhona ukubona ukuthi there is no need kumele ube disciplined that is why you can see Khuliso Mdau today akakhuphuki you can see the center back of Mamelodi Sundowns ayizange mhlawumbe ifuna ukujumpa leya center they understand ukuthi now kumele sikwazi ukuthi siba ne-rest defense enough uma ungabheka uGrotman Jaden Adams always beka in between their center back ukuthi if si lose ball position kumele sikwazi ukuthi sizoyicover and nayo uKhuliso beyangayi njengoba ngitshela beyangayi kulela line most of the time bekadlala la phakathi akwazi ukuthi enzeni akwazi ukucover lesa space so ngicabanga ukuthi the approach yama game Shane angeke afane because of nalama games ewadlalayo this is a CAF Champions League final Shane you need to be disciplined at the end of the day because udlala nabadlali abane quality abangahle bakunikeza iproblem if mhlawumbe uzoluza le concentration so for me I think iSundowns idlala kahle even why uNdamane today yes someone can say abazange batestwe Shane so uma ngabe mhlawumbe bakhona ukuthi benze lento abayenzile ba understand ukuthi yini umsebenzi wabo manje ukuthi bawenze less mistake Shane but I expected igame different uma ngabe kuyodlala ngale because it's 1-0 down bayabuya Majida we-FC Rabat I know ukuthi bazobuya bafuna uku-attack iMamelodi Sundowns but engikucabangayo ukuthi la uzomdinga khona uReyners because they're going to open space if bafuna uku-add number bakwazi ukuthi ba-equalize so for me Shane abayenzanga umsebenzi engicabanga ukuthi bona vele bebacabanga ukuthi bebazele yona lento ukuthi at least if siyayiluza or siyayidraw le game if siyayiluza singayiluza ngamagoli amaningi balahlile side Sundowns fail uku-convert lawo ma-chances but abazange ba-change play Shane they were like njengoba icalile le game continuing badlala the way badlala ngakhona ukuthi no asidlale the way sidlala ngakhona as long as singeke siconsider but babe nenhlanhla Shane ungaconsider lawo magoli especially abo Brian Leon la njengoba ngikutshela Shane but for me yeah let's wait and see Shane but Sundowns ifake inyawo eli1 Shane ngicabanga ukuthi isezandleni zabo Shane ukuthi basifaka esinye star ejezini labo kube mhlawumbe phela i-team manje ku-SADC edlala ama-finals awu4 iluza u2 A1 yayiwina so manje kukubo ukuthi bayenza 2 out of 4 so ngiyacabanga ukuthi banawo ama chances Shane because ngibona nange ball position bangayidominate FC Rabat and expecting abo Alendo ukuthi bayocala kuleya game Jaden and Debza so that ukwazi ukuthi bane midfield ezokwazi ukucontrola leya game. I don't think angayidlala nge-double pivot away. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzosebenzisa leya 3 midfield ukwazi ukuthi acontrol leya game bangakwazi ukuthi bangathola mhlambe early goal. So yeah, well done to Mamelodi Sundowns coach Caruso and assistant wakhe Shane and the players. I think benze kahle kakhulu. Unfortunately abazange Shane ba convert more goals.
Thank you so much, Bobzin. Masivale. Let's go home. Yeah, namhlanje ku CAF Champions League first leg. I mean, the final first leg. Remember, there's 2 legs tomorrow. I mean, next week on Sunday, Sundowns will be playing against the same team, AS FAR Rabat and Morocco at 9 p.m. So, Bobzin Patele wona lo mdlalo lo. Bobzin, why?
Sijabula sonke weekend next week.
Yeah.
Sijabula sonke.
It will happen.
So wethu nasePitori okujatshule ePitori.
Ufuna kwenzeke kanjani?
Asijabule sonke mwana.
Sijabule sonke.
Asijabule sonke.
All right. Masivale. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, AS FAR Rabat 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.